Have you ever wondered how a repair is done inside a real body shop? How a dent is actually fixed? Well, today we're here in the body shop. We're here with Philip at Philip's Auto Body TV, where we get to take a look behind the scenes and see how that dent is actually repaired. So, if you enjoy this video and you like his content, please subscribe to his channel. And don't forget, YouTube has a new hype button. If you really enjoyed it, you're more than welcome. Hype it up.